Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your login history on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's open up the Instagram application first. You can do this on your iPhone or an Android, it really doesn't matter. Let's tap on your profile picture in the bottom right. And now we have to tap on these three bars in the top right corner and we will land on this settings and activity. Simply tap on this account center, the first option. This will show your account center for both Instagram as well as Facebook. On here we want to tap on this password and security. And then you can see here towards the bottom is where you are logged in. If you tap on it, it will show me for both accounts. I can tap on this Instagram here and here it will show you your history of every single device that is logged into your account. You will see at the very top is this phone Tecno Camon 30s, and then you can see iPhone 13 Pro Max, Infinix, Tecno, all the other devices that you have logged in. You can see some of these dating back to this January 3, January 16. I can hit this select devices to log out and then simply tap on this select all and then simply tap on this log out here. Click on this log out again and you have successfully logged out from all the other devices except this one. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to check login history on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.